Hello everyone, this is Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. Last month in my card classes, we made this cute Christmas card using the Peaceful Prints designer paper that is free during celebration with a $50 purchase. The card is so cute and I loved it. The paper is delightful. It's really traditional and kind of lodgy looking. I wanted to show it to you. Inside stripes, more snowflakes, plaid, trees. It's great paper. More snowflakes, more reindeer, and then more plaid. So, on this card, when I was making it, you get two pieces of this designer paper, and I have a bunch of it because I had placed a huge order. But I was like, how can I cut these deer out the other direction, because the punch only cuts one direction. And I was racking my brain. I couldn't figure it out. So I had an idea, but I just couldn't bring it to paper, however you say that. So I just went ahead and prepared for my class, and I used all this paper. And so I have all these deer going the other direction that I haven't been able to use. And then I saw a video. Well, actually, I didn't see a video. I couldn't find the video, but I saw some directions on a blog. And I'm sorry, I can't remember the demonstrator's name. I'm going to try to find it and then put it on my blog. So look at all of these deer that I wasn't able to use. So I followed her directions, and I wanted to show you quickly how to do it and how to get the deer cut the other direction. It's so easy, you're not going to believe it. So tonight while I watch TV, I think I'll cut the rest of these deer out. Oh, and you can also use the So Many Snowflake dies. There's a little snowflake die that you can use to cut out snowflakes. Super cute. Lots of uses. But okay, let's get back to the deer. So what I did, I'm going to show you it's the same way, but you can use vellum or you can use copy paper. You could use cardstock too, but it's expensive, and the vellum is more expensive too. So I would recommend using copy paper, computer paper, whatever you want to call it. And so I'll demonstrate on that for you. So what I did was I cut a 3.5 by 6 inch piece of copy paper, and I folded it in half. And then I just punch out my deer. And I punched it close to the bottom so that I'm able to reach it with my punch. Let me show you what you're going to do next. You're going to just love this because it was a brilliant idea. I wish I could claim it. Not my brilliance. So you're going to take this piece of copy paper and you're going to just put it right over. You're going to open it up so it's on both sides. And you're going to line it up with the deer. Okay. And then I have some old washi tape. You could also use a Post-it note if you don't have any washi tape. Just the sticky part of Post-it note, and then I moved it. Silly me. My hands are so shaky, I don't know why. Okay, I think that's where I want it. So I'm going to just hold that in place with some washi tape. And then I'm going to turn it over and hold it in place as well. Then I'm going to take my punch. And I wanted to show you, so you have to, this is important, you have to cut close to the bottom of the deer. So this is the bottom of a paper where they're actually cut off. so you can't use those anyway. But so I just trimmed it right just above the ear of those deer so that I could, otherwise, let me show you, my punch won't reach up that far. So you have to trim it. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put my punch in and I'm gonna line it up with that piece of copy paper. And I'm gonna punch it on that side and then I'm gonna turn it over and it is punched perfectly. Isn't that cool? So now we could add 2 deer if you wanted to, or you could make cards with the deer going the other direction. Super cool, super easy, super affordable with the copy paper. The vellum works good too. It's a little thicker, but the same effect. Anyways, I hope you'll give it a try. I love, love, love this paper. Can't wait to do some more projects with it. And Celebration is going strong for the rest of September, so you have until September 30th to place your order and get free product during Celebration. Lots of fun products in that brochure. I hope you'll give this a try. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day, and I will see you next week with another Tuesday's tip.